No other type of vehicle can combine work and play as masterfully as an ATV. Today, we're looking at the new breed of all-terrain vehicles that put battery electric powertrains to the test.
NiuRC and NiuEnv. Niu Mobility got properly prepared for the rising competition in the EV field. The brand's all-terrain lineup features a utilitarian NiuEnv and the adventure-oriented NiuRC model. The NiuEnv has a striking design with a futuristic lightning signature represented by LED light bars, a robust brush guard, a squared-off bodywork protected by 1.2mm steel panels, and a 5-inch TFT dashboard. The light utility vehicle features an intuitive four-wheel drive setup powered by two PMSM motors, rated for 73.55 kilowatts and 191.8 pound-feet of peak output. The energy will be stored inside two 96-volt 55 amp-hour battery packs. However, the estimated range has not yet been released. Finally, if you're still suffering from range anxiety, there will be an optional 350cc plug-in hybrid powertrain or a gas-only option with a 500cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. The sporty NiuRC brings a lightweight construction and an 18 kilowatt strong electric powertrain for near-silent acceleration. With a curb weight of 348.3 pounds, this quad bike gets sharp handling and great climbing capabilities for off-the-beaten-path exploration, owing to 55.3 pound-feet of peak torque. The model relies on a 74-volt 55 amp-hour removable battery that needs 3.5 hours to be fully replenished.
Are you ready to explore a machine that redefines off-road adventure? The new 2026 Honda 4Trax Rubicon 4x4 is here, and it's set to dominate the trails like never before. Packed with cutting-edge features and rugged durability, this quad bike is built to take on any challenge you throw its way. The 2026 Honda 4Trax Rubicon comes with a powerful 518 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, providing the torque and performance needed for heavy-duty work or adrenaline-pumping trail rides. Honda has fine-tuned the engine for even smoother power delivery, ensuring maximum efficiency and reliability. Whether you're climbing steep hills, navigating rocky terrain, or towing heavy loads, this quad bike is designed to handle it all with ease. One of the standout features is the advanced dual-clutch transmission, offering both automatic and manual modes. It provides seamless shifting for a hassle-free ride while giving you control when you need it. Paired with the independent rear suspension and upgraded shocks, the Rubicon delivers a smoother ride and better handling on rough trails. Honda didn't hold back on technology either. The Rubicon features a full digital instrument cluster showing essential information at a glance, and comes with selectable four-wheel drive modes. It even includes a built-in GPS system for those who love exploring uncharted territories. The rugged steel racks on the front and rear provide ample cargo space, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and workers alike. With its bold styling, robust build, and advanced features, the 2026 Honda 4Trax Rubicon 4x4 stands out as a leader in its class. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or new to the quad biking world, this machine is a game-changer. Don't just take our word for it. See it in action and experience the next level of off-road performance. Stay tuned to upcoming bikes for more updates, reviews, and all things off-road.